Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video about my keyboard has a calculator, and I showed in part one how you could bring up a calculator. This is a Windows calculator that's brought up. And I wasn't going to, it didn't really need to make that video because it didn't have anything to do about Corel. But it is kind of neat to have a calculator handy. And then somebody commented that it can also do more than a standard calculator. If you hit this, what people call a hamburger, and go to convert length, and this square is 10 by 10. So we're going to say 10 inches is 25.4 centimeters. Pretty handy when somebody sends you something in inches or centimeters back forth. And you can, you can do it in anything. You could go, well, what is that in meters? Well, it's 0.254. And, you could do yards, feet, 10 inches is 0.2 yards, 0.277. That's probably not that big a deal. But when you're working with the metric and standard system, and you need to quickly, I used to always have to go to the Google and then search conversion, but it's right there. Anyway, and I'll put a link to the part one just so you can watch if you don't know how to get that calculator to your inside of your Corel. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.